Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I will be taking you through a very unique diet that my dad developed. So, my dad is a doctor. He's been a doctor for, 40 years or something. And when he moved down to Alabama from Canada, he encountered people's mindsets were much different there. The traditions were different. People would eat like cornbread and all sorts of fried stuff for breakfast and all these creamy sauces and stuff, and with all that stuff came a lot more weight. So people are just a lot more obese down in the southern states there, especially Alabama. I remember being at a Dairy Queen once, and we went there. It was like on a Sunday, just after after church got out or something, and so we were there, and like all these people from the church came over, and it was just like 25 people showed up, and they were all 300 plus pounds, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500 pounds, just massive. What's really interesting is my dad, being a doctor down there, he developed this diet called the garbage can diet. And initially when he moved down there, he tried all sorts of things. He tried to get people to exercise and eat right and do all this stuff that, typically doctors would recommend. Eat clean, eat your vegetables, exercise every day, and then they just wouldn't do it. People down there just would not do it. So he developed the garbage can diet, which is essentially make your dinner and then take your dinner and put it all on the plate and then divide it into 3 sections and take one section and just shovel it right into the garbage can. And of course, when he tells people this, they're appalled. They're like, well, why don't I just put it in Tupperware? I can eat it later or have it for the next meal. And he's like, no, because what's going to happen is after you finish your 2/3 on your plate, you're going to go to the Tupperware and you can eat the other third. But if it's in the garbage can, you won't dig it out to eat it. And so this is like a really funny mindset trick, but it worked. So after he started recommending that, people thought he was kind of crazy, but they're like, okay. They tried out, and then a lot of his patients just started dropping a lot of weight just from simply shoveling 1/3 of their plate in the garbage can. So if you're really struggling and there's nothing else is working for you, you can try this out. It's a really funny trick, because it comes down to it. No one wants to dig in the garbage for their food, because that's also a psychological thing, right? Unless you've been homeless before, you're not going to be digging in the trash, because then that says something about yourself. Like, oh my God, I'm digging through my trash for food. Yeah, I don't know. Try it out if you're really struggling, or if you're really obese and you just really need to start cutting the weight down. Different things work for different people. So hopefully this trick helps you guys out. If you like the video, subscribe. Until next one, have a great day.